Learning how to ride a motorcycle can seem difficult, but it's easier than you might think. To ride a motorcycle, a rider must know how to sit on the motorcycle, how to use the controls, how to be able to keep a level head in every situation, including emergency situations, and what gear to wear, as well as the weather forecast. Proper riding gear should be used at all times, no matter the weather. Gear that should be worn should be a full-face motorcycle helmet, an armored jacket, jeans, and riding boots. All gear should be approved and crash tested. Types of motorcycles are important when you are starting. Smaller motorcycles are better to start, like a Honda CB300R, which is the motorcycle that will be used in this video. The basic controls of the motorcycle are the clutch, front brake, shifter, rear brake, and throttle. To start your motorcycle, turn the key to the on position. Flip the red switch on the side of your motorcycle and hit the starter button. To get a motorcycle moving, you must first put the bike into gear, pull your clutch in, shift down once, and slowly release the clutch and give throttle. If you release the clutch too fast, you will stall your bike. To shift gears while riding, let off the throttle, pull on the clutch, shift gears, release the clutch, and slowly add throttle.